Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our next poem. Its name is Noses. Before we learn this poem, let's understand the unfamiliar words. First, mirror. Mirror means a surface of glass which reflects an image. Second, funniest. It means superlative form of funny, something which causes laughter or fun. Third, breathing. It means process which involves inhale and exhale. Fourth, sticking. Something pasted on a surface. Fifth, giggle. It means laugh lightly. So dear students, as we already know, nose is our sense organ. Can you tell me how many sense organs are there in all? Let's see. We have 5 sense organs. First, nose. Second, ears. Third, eyes. Fourth, tongue. Fifth, skin. First, nose. Nose help us to smell. Second, ears. Ear help us to hear sound. Third, eyes. Eyes help us to see the world around us. Fifth, skin. Skin help us to sense the touch. So dear students, let's recite the poem Noses. I look in the mirror and look at my nose. It is the funniest thing the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows with 2 little holes where the breathing goes. So dear students, in the first stanza, we see the girl is looking herself in the mirror and she feels that her nose is the funniest thing on her face. Second, I look in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. So here the girl feels that on her face from the end of her chin to the start of her hair there isn't very much space and her nose is sticking there like a hand. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose stick out. So here the poet is saying that if you want to giggle and you can't think what to do, then just have a look at yourself in the mirror and then you will see how funny your nose is. Your nose is sticking on your face and it looks very funny. So dear students, recite this poem 3 times and prepare new words. So dear students, stay home, stay safe.